Tired of digging through Salesforce setup to change your company name? Here is the exact 7-click path to update it in 30 seconds. We will start from the homepage, use Quick Settings, open Advanced Setup, search for company information, edit, and save. I have done this exact process more times than I can count, and once you see the pattern, you will never hunt for it again. All right, let us start from your Salesforce homepage. That is the first screen you see when you log in. Look all the way up in the top right corner. See that little gear icon? That is your Quick Settings menu. I know it is easy to overlook because it is so small, but that gear is your best friend for any admin task. Go ahead and click it now. So once you click that gear, a drop-down menu appears. The very first option at the top says Open Advanced Setup. Click that. This is what I like to call the command center for your entire org. Everything you need to configure lives in here, including the company name you want to update. Now you are in the Advanced Setup screen. At the very top left, there is a search bar that says Quick Find. Just type the word company into that box. You do not need to type the whole phrase, just company. As you type, the menu below will filter automatically. This is way faster than clicking through folders and menus like it is the early 2000s. From the filtered results, click on Company Information. That opens a page that shows your organization name, your address, your default locale, all that foundational stuff. This is the screen that controls the official identity of your org. Take a look at the current name so you remember what it was before you change it. Click it. Now you are in the Edit view. This is where the magic happens. You will see a field labeled Organization Name. Just type your new company name right there. Make sure it is spelled exactly how you want it to appear everywhere, because Salesforce uses this name in email templates, reports, and even on the login page. I have seen people accidentally include a typo here and wonder why their customers saw a misspelled company name. Once you are happy with the new name, click the blue Save button. Give it just a moment. You should see a green success message pop up at the top of the screen saying your changes were saved. If you see a red error instead, do not panic. That usually means you missed a required field, like the address or the phone number. Just scroll through the page, fill in anything blank, and try saving again. Now, let us verify the change worked. Go back to your homepage. Look up at the top left corner of your screen. You should see the new company name displayed there. That is your confirmation. It took, maybe 30 seconds total? You now know exactly where that setting lives. If for some reason you prefer using the old setup menu, you can get there the same way. Click the gear icon, then click Setup. On the left-hand menu, click Company Settings, then Company Information. It is a couple more clicks, but either path gets you to the same place. And there you have it. Next time someone asks you to update the company name, you will know exactly where to go without any guesswork. Go ahead and make that change with confidence.